Mrs. Kasturi Manjula Vallal ma'am, our guiding light and director of MIG Bluebird branches Kiran Kumar sir, and Bright Village School director Priyanka ma'am, our beloved director Sliva Rani ma'am, our supportive principal Vishali ma'am, and of course all the proud parents. We request all the chief guests to come onto the stage, ma'am. The lamp, symbolizing wisdom, knowledge, and the eradication of darkness. We request all the chief guests to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Let us also invoke the blessings of the Almighty with a short prayer song.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampadah. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampadah. Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostute. Deepa Jyotir Namostute. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampadah.
To stand before you today on this momentous occasion, our annual day celebration. We celebrate our achievements, talents, and endless pursuit our excellence week. We are graced by a presence of your extraordinary individual as our chief guest. Please join me in welcoming the visionary leader and an educationist by excellence, Mrs. Manjula Vallal ma'am.
Mrs. Manjula ma'am is not just a name but a beacon of inspiration in the field of education. With an impressive career spanning over of 16 years, she has made remarkable contributions to the school developments, affiliations, trainings, and academic plannings. Her expertise in establishing schools in line with CBSE, IGCSE, and IB norms is unparalleled. She has successfully guided numerous institutions as turnkey projects, ensuring their infrastructure, curriculum, and administrative frameworks meet the highest standards of excellence. Ms. Manjula ma'am's portfolio speaks volumes of her relentless dedication to shaping the future of education. From collaborating with reputed schools like Orchids International School, Charik, Reckelfold International, and Solitaire Global Schools of Parenting with NRHR Solutions, her works has redefined what it means to deliver holistic education. Her core objective is not just to build schools, but to create centers of excellence that nurture talent and innovation.
What sets Manjula ma'am apart is her belief in the power of teamwork and meticulous planning. Whether it's a recruiting talent educators, securing board affiliations, and or designing enriched curriculum, she ensures that every aspect of school management aligns with the vision of creating world-class institutions. Her passion for integrating technology into the education has brought tools like digital classrooms, smart boards, and robotic labs to the forefront, preparing students for the future driven by innovation.
Ms. Manjula ma'am's commitment extends beyond academic excellence. She champions the importance of leadership training, career counseling, and student well-being, ensuring that schools under her guidance produce not only scholars but also compassionate and responsible individuals.
As we reflect on the milestones we have achieved, Mrs. Manjula ma'am's present reminds us the endless possibilities that arise when vision meets execution, when passion meets purpose, and when education becomes a means to transform lives.
Ms. Manjula ma'am, we are deeply honored to have you with us today. Your journey inspires us to aim higher, work harder, and dream bigger. On behalf of everyone here, we extend our heartfelt gratitude towards you for taking the time to celebrate this special day with us. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause to ma'am to her invaluable contributions to the field of education.
We would like to call our another guest, Gypsy ma'am. Please come on to the dais. Next, we would like to share a few words about our director, Silrani ma'am. Leadership is not about a title or a position. It's about the impact, influence, and the inspiration one brings to the table.
Leadership, one name shines brightly in our institution, our respected director, Slivarani ma'am.
It is under their visionary guidance and unwavering commitment that Bluebird School continues to reach new heights and nourish young minds with their excellence.
Please join us in extending a warm welcome to our director Slivarani ma'am, whose presence adds prestige to this event. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us today.
A school becomes a temple of learning when it is led by someone who believes in nurturing young minds with a passion, dedication, and a vision of excellence.
It is our privilege to have such a dynamic leader in the form of our principal, Vishali ma'am, whose commitment and guidance have been the cornerstone of our institution's success. On behalf of the entire Bluebird family, we extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. Your presence truly inspires and motivates us all. Heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you for your support and guidance. We would like to call our beloved principal, Vishali ma'am, to share some words.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, respected director ma'am, chief guest, esteemed members of the management, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the Bluebirds Annual Day celebrations. This occasion is a moment of pride and joy for all of us as we gather here to celebrate the achievements and talents of our students, who are the true essence of this situation. Today, as we look back on another eventful year, I am filled with immense pride at how our school has continued to grow and thrive. Despite the challenges we have faced, our students and teachers have shown remarkable resilience, creativity, and determination. This year, we have achieved significant milestones in academics, sports, cultural activities, and other endeavors. All these milestones are a great result of our teachers and unwavering support of our parents. At Bluebird, we build in nurturing holistic growth. Our aim is not only to impact knowledge but also to instill values, ethics, and life skills in our students. We want to prepare them to face the world with confidence and contribute positively to society. Today, we also take this opportunity to express our gratitude to our teachers whose tireless efforts and dedication are the backbone of our institution. To the parents, your trust and partnership have been invaluable in shaping the future of our children. As we celebrate the talents of our students today, let us remember that this stage is not just about showcasing skills, but also about building confidence, teamwork, and character. To our students, I urge you to dream big, work hard, and stay grounded in your values. A special thanks to our chief guest, Srimati Mrs. Manjula Vallal, for gracing this occasion with their presence. Your achievements and journey are an inspiration to all of us, and we look forward to your words of wisdom. I also extend my thanks to Mrs. Priyanka Reddy ma'am. I also extend my special thanks to our Bluebird director, Srimati Mrs. Sliva Rani ma'am. Let us make this evening a memorable one. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the wonderful performances lined up by our talented students. Thank you, and I wish you all a delightful evening ahead. Thank you.
Milestone deserves to be celebrated. To take us through the journey of the past year, we invite our primary in charge maths teacher Vijay Lakshmi to present the annual report.
Director ma'am, honorable chief guests of today's event, esteemed members, supportive parents, and my dear beloved students. I am delighted to extend my hearty welcome to the old and new members of Bluebird family. The 15th year witnessed successful accomplishment of horde of endeavors. With all your support, strength, joy, and hope, we have approached this year with a zeal to perfect every work in our school. We have started implementing new strategies which facilitates the learning procedure of our students. It's a moment of pride and privilege to present the annual report of Bluebird School for the academic year 2024-25. This report is a reflection of our journey, achievements, and milestones over the past years. Bluebird helps each and every student to reach their highest possible personal potential. Yes, we are proudly portraying our success in terms of our students' overall growth. We also care of slow learners. A stringent goal plan is framed and followed by all the teachers with a vision to excel students. At Bluebird, education is a joy, learning is fun, and teaching is innovative. Thanks to good panel of teachers, we understand children's psychology better. Emphasis is laid on conditioning the young minds, therefore nurturing talent and interest which will help them cultivate focus and skills. Our mission: we ensure that our students grow beyond mere academics as the spotlight is on overall development of our students. Our values: we understand that values play a key role in imparting education and so adhere to a strict code of conduct, and we believe in leading from the front by setting an example. Kids at Bluebird School are very talented and they increase their talent with the guidance of teachers. Kids at the nursery and playgroup level need to be dealt in a different way, delicate and special manner, and our teachers are well trained in every aspect. At Bluebird, we are proud of our teachers as they have ensured that children are taught values and skills. Extracurricular activities, games and sports. Engaging in various sports not only promotes physical fitness but also fosters teamwork and strategic thinking. Participants can explore a range of activities that enhance their competitive spirit and coordination. Taekwondo. This dynamic martial art emphasizes discipline, self-defense and physical conditioning. Through training, students learn powerful teaching while building confidence, focus, and respect for themselves and others as well. Dance. Dance covers a multitude of styles, including hip-hop, salsa, and jazz. This activity encourages creativity, self-expression, and the joy of movement, allowing participants to connect with music and their peers. Music. Whether it's learning to play an instrument, singing, or composing, music offers a vibrant way to express emotions and connect with others. From group performances to solo performances, students can explore diverse musical genres and develop their talents. Abacus. This ancient tool for calculations enhances mental math skills and boasts cognitive abilities. Through engaging activities, learners can improve their numerical proficiency and problem-solving skills while having fun with this hands-on approach to mathematics. As you all aware that this year we introduced the basics of Abacus from grades 1 to 4. We observed a good result from students and parents as well. I thank all the parents for your support in making Abacus as a part of their academics. Next academic year, we will concentrate more on Abacus. Happy to say that 8 students got shortlisted from our school for the district level Abacus exam, which is going to be conducted tomorrow. Now I want to call upon all the kids who got shortlisted. B. Abhishek Reddy, B. Vedans Reddy, M. Bhargav, C. Deepika, G. Rishik, B. Vasvik, K. Ashvita, B. Rakshit. All the best children, perform well in the exam. Okay? Thank you. You can leave now. Parent-teacher meet. We are conducting regular parent-teacher meetings where the overall development of the students will be discussed with the parents. Color Days. The celebration of Color Days in school serves as a vibrant and engaging way to foster creativity, unity, and fun among students. These special days invite students to express themselves through colorful clothing and accessories, transforming the school environment into a lively tapestry of hues. It encourages participation as everyone comes together to celebrate diversity and individuality. Color Days also provide an opportunity for teachers to incorporate lessons about colors and their meanings, as well as discussions about inclusivity and the importance of expressing one's true self. Overall, Color Days enrich the school experience, making learning more dynamic and enjoyable. Competitions. Competitions in school play a crucial role in overall development of the students. Here are the key reasons why we are conducting competitions. Enhances skills and knowledge, builds confidence, encourages healthy competition, develops teamwork and collaboration, preparation for the real world, discover the hidden talents. Competition in schools are not just about winning, but about learning, growing, and becoming well-rounded individuals prepared for life's challenges. In view of these aspects, we conducted competitions such as drawing, essay writing, elocution, and many other competitions in the category of sports. Celebrations. Celebrations in school are an integral part of the educational experience and contribute to the overall development of students. They are very important and play a vital role. They help in developing cultural awareness and diversity, community building, skill development, break from routine, encouraging values and traditions. List of celebrations we have done in this academic year are School Reopen Day, Father's Day, International Yoga Day, Coffee Day, Environmental Day, Doctor's Day, Tiger's Day, Friendship Day, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Nutrition Day, Teachers Day, Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, Telugu Dinotsavam on August 29th, Hindi Divas on September 14th, Dasara and Batkama celebrations together, Diwali celebrations. As a part of Diwali celebrations, we had a rally in order to celebrate a pollution-free Diwali. As a part of Diwali, we also conducted pottery, a clay molding activity, and distributed diyas to all the students. Children's Day, we conducted games, class-wise and distributed mementos to the winners. Free dental checkup was also held and suggestions were given to students to those who had issues. Math Day celebrations on December 21st. Christmas celebrations, New Year celebrations. The most important one is the conference held in the month of November. Children showcased their talent in their unique styles of explanation. They had a platform to overcome stage fear, increase their confidence levels. The result of this conference is extraordinary. Picnics play a significant role in fostering relaxation, bonding, and personal growth. As a part of it, we took our pre-primary kids to Plabo and primary kids to Dino World. Kids enjoyed a lot and their experience is undefinable. Upcoming celebrations in the month of January are the Pongal celebrations and Republic Day celebrations. I am delighted to share some wonderful news with you. As a part of our commitment in providing the best learning environment for our students, we are going to have smart TV, digital classrooms from the next academic year. Pottery and art of clay molding will be included in the list of activities. Last but very important, on the behalf of management, I feel it as my proud privilege to let you all know that our beloved director ma'am, the visionary leader, Mrs. Livarani madam, has opened a new branch, the Brightwell in Gajul Ramaram, a place where education meets inspiration. The Brightwell School is committed in shaping the leaders of tomorrow. So dear parents, it's our humble request to refer your friends, relatives and neighbors to our new school. Dear parents, now the most awaited moment has arrived. So don't miss a single moment. Stay with us and enjoy the entire program. Every part is crafted to entertain, inform and leave you inspired. Sit back and savor the experience from start to finish. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Vijayalakshmi teachers, to express our administration. Your dedication, passion and commitment to excellence are truly inspiring.
We are deeply grateful for your time today. Your insights, experiences and support are invaluable to us. We believe that your presence will not only enhance this event but also inspires and motivates us all. We hope you to speak few words. Ma'am, please.
Good evening, crowd. Hope you are all started to enjoy the program. No sound, please. You should have applaud the parent. As a parent, we should applaud, right? Yes, parents. I'm not able to feel the enthu from you people. Today is a day, a big day for Bluebird, where the students are showcasing their skills. Yes? Yeah, that's the spirit. So, here we are assembled to enjoy the session, right? And we have already heard the annual day report of Bluebird, yes? So the number of achievements, the targeted dates, the important day celebrations, how they are educating the children, and with all the activities, facilities, yes? And I'm very much happy that Miss Rani has invited for me to honor this occasion, and very much glad to see the crowd over here. And I would like to extend my warm wishes and all the best for the parents and the students here for the night. And I hope the parents should have a little buzz. No one is making a big noise or sound. Parents, if we are happy, then our children are happy, yes? Little bit more. So after every program, I expect that you will applaud the children. Yes? Being this education field, it's like a great pleasure to us. It's not only like enjoying the children growing up and gracing up, but we are seeing the dreams building up. Yes or no? Are we seeing our dreams building up? I am not able to hear you. Yes? So education system is not the same as we had earlier. Do you agree? So now the system has changed. The children has been changed. So we are moving forward ahead with AI technology. Yes, parents? So we need to be more supportive. As a parent, more we need to learn. As a child, the child is learning more than us. So we need to be more productive to the as a parent, and we need to be more supportive to the school. So I hope Bluebird will rock next couple of years, and Bluebird team also. I wish all the best to all the team members and all the parents gathered here. I hope we all will enjoy the evening and will have a great night. Thank you.
People are waiting for cultural activities, I think. Yes? Yes. So, next, it gives me immense pleasure to announce this special occasion with a beautiful and heartfelt welcome dance.
Dance is not just an art form, it is a universal language that conveys emotion, tells stories, and unite people beyond words.
Broad tradition and celebration. So without further delay, let us immerse ourselves in the rhythm and elegance of this wonderful performance, prepared with love and dedication by our talented kid Harini from grade 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this wonderful girl as she take the stage to present Nataraja Natya Viraj.
నటరాజా నాట్య విరాజా అంజలి ఘటించి నే చేసేను నర్తన పూజ నటరాజా నాట్య విరాజా అంజలి ఘటించి నే చేసేను నర్తన పూజ నటరాజా కరచరణముల కదలికతో భావముల అమరికతో కరచరణముల కదలికతో భావముల అమరికతో సలిపెడు నృత్యము కాదు శివా నటరాజా నాట్య విరాజా చలనములే భంగిమలై రూపొందగా ఇంద్రియ పంచకమే ముద్రలై వెలుగొందగా నవనాడులు నవరసములుగా రసజీవతత్వమే భావనగా అవనీతలమే కాగా అభినయింతు శ్రిత కల్పక భూజ నటరాజా నాట్య విరాజా అంజలి ఘటించి నే చేసేను నర్తన పూజ నటరాజా నాట్య విరాజా.
That was a marvelous performance. Now, to kickstart this beautiful day and set the tone for the years ahead, let's all join in with a smile as we welcome you with a special song. This song is dedicated to all of you, our shining star, as a warm embers to make you feel right at home. So let's clap along, sing and celebrate this occasion Here is our welcome song just for you from our grade 2 kids. Hrithik Vardhan, Jasrita, Manaswini, Surya Teja, Dhruvi, Prajwal and Bhargavi.
Welcome, welcome you. We are happy, so are you. A shake, a smile throughout the day. Happiness is here to stay. Welcome, welcome you. We are happy, so are you. A shake, a smile throughout the day. Happiness is here to stay. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to our annual day. Welcome, welcome. Welcome you with smiles. Welcome, welcome. Welcome you with good wishes. Welcome, welcome. So that you may shine. Welcome, welcome you. We are happy, so are you. A shake, a smile throughout the day. Happiness is here to stay. We welcome, welcome you. We are happy, so are you. A shake, a smile throughout the day. Happiness is here to stay. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to our annual day. Welcome, welcome. Welcome you with smiles. Welcome, welcome. Welcome you with good wishes. Welcome, welcome. So that you may shine. So that you may shine. So that you may shine. So that you may shine.
That's a marvelous performance, right?
Present Vaishnav Janto, a soulful bhajan that holds a special place in India's culture and spiritual heritage. Sit back and immerse yourself in this timeless ode to kindness and compassion. Now we would like to call upon the stage our grade 3 and 4 students to present this song. Y Dakshita, Vedita, Harini, Vasvik, Lasya and Rajasmita.
वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे बड़ दुख के उपकार करे तो ए मन अभिमान न आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे कहीं रे सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे कहीं रे बाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तैनी रे बाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तैनी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे
Was not just entertaining us but also inspiring. It reflects you endless hours of practice and commitment. Keep our heartfelt appreciation to Mr. Akhil sir and Kiran sir with the experience of unwavering support and dedication in preparing the students. Thank you for your continuous efforts in inspiring creativity and fostering a love for music within our students. Thank you, music masters Akhil sir and Kiran sir.
Original and superb performance is going to done. We are excited to start the program with a delight performance by our talented playgroup children.
Charm assured to bring smiles to everyone as we welcome our shining little stars onto the stage and share their talent with us. For this song, all the parents, we need some encouragement.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
All ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om.
All the parents, wave your hands.
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 go. The mommies on the bus go all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you, I love you, I love you.
The daddies on the bus go.
I love you all through the town.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round,
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go
round and round.
all through the town.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा कि ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास तू 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 मेरी दी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी दी होने लगी कैसे ये हुआ मगर न है मुझे न तुझको कोई खबर पर ये दिल तब से है कहने लगा तू 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 मेरी दी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी दी होने लगी न जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे जो मेरा था वो खो गया जो तेरा मिल गया हो जैसे इस दिल ने जब जाना के बस तू 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 मेरी दी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी दी होने लगी यूं कभी लगा है जैसे हाँ यही बस यही समा है जिसमें जिंदगी जीनी ऐसे एक पल वो बाकी जैसे अजनबी जहाँ आके लग जाए गले जैसे तू चले और दुनिया तेरे संग चले जैसे रात चुपके से तेरे कानों में कहे कि अब तो जाने क्यों तू मेरी दी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी दी होने लगी तू मेरी दी मैं तेरा होने लगा मैं तेरा तू मेरी दी होने लगी
same way, here also having a different and unique way to perform their talent.
With an energetic dance performance to the catchy party song Tukur Tukur from the beloved movie Dilwale, bring the stage to life, inviting everyone to join in the fun. The lively beats and joyful medley are sure not only make you to get up and dance but also inspire you to sing along with the performers, creating an atmosphere of pure celebration.
I request parents, please be seated. Videos will be shared. Parents, please cooperate with us. Parents. Dear parents. Dear parents. Parents.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है, क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा.
Sir, Dhanvishri father, Kavyashri mother, please everybody will share you the videos.
जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे जालिमा.
A visual treat. Each one of you brought something special to the stage and we are so proud of you.
An energetic dance performance. They will be dancing to the inspiring song from the movie Brahmastra. Motivate and uplift everyone, spreading joy and enthusiasm through their vibrant movements. Prepare to be dazzled by their creativity and passion as they bring the spirit of the song to life.
जमाना हमारी सुफियाना सी पाटियां नाचेगा दीवाना वो देखेगा जमाना हमारी सुफियाना सी पाटियां फिकर भुला के तू कमर हिला के और नच ले मेरे संग साथिया कोई मुझे रोको जरा नच नच के हाथ का बीट बढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मेरा लड़िया इश्क का बेंच लड़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया आधा टेढ़ा डांस मेरा अच्छा लगे तुमको ओ, जैसे मैं करता हूँ वो कॉपी करो कुत्ती है ये गाना बड़ा इससे बार बार मैं रिपीट करे मैनू चढ़िया डांस का मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मेरा लड़िया इश्क दा पेट लड़िया मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया
Drop it.
कोई मुझे रोको जरा नच नच के हाथ का बीट बढ़िया मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया मैनू चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया
Through the magic of folk music. Folk songs are the soul of our traditions, telling stories of love, nature, celebration, and life's simple joys. Please join us in welcoming these talented young performers as they present a medley of folk songs that celebrated by our roots and the vibrant spirit of our culture. Parents, please encourage. It's a folk song. You all are right kids, right?
సిద్ధిరాల మనసు నాది చిన్నగా పోతుంటావో చూడక పోతుంటావో ఇంట్లో చిన్న దాన్ని నేను సిద్ధిరాల దానితో చిన్నలు చూపిస్తావో సిద్ధిరాల మనసు నాది చిన్నగా పోతుంటావో చూడక పోతుంటావో ఇంట్లో చిన్న దాన్ని నేను సిద్ధిరాల దానితో చిన్నలు చూపిస్తావో ఓ పిల్లగా ఎక్కటేసి చూడక పోతుంటావో కానక పోతుంటావో నా పిల్లగా ఎక్కటేసి చూడక పోతుంటావో కానక పోతుంటావో
అబ్బబ్బబ్బబ్బబ్బా ఇలాంటి పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ నెవర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవర్ బిఫోర్. Attention here. We have planned something fun and exciting for you. It's time for a surprise game called Hidden Gifts Under Chair.
Are you curious to know what's happening? So here is a surprise gift for you. So parents, be ready.
Under some of the chairs in this area, we have a hidden special gift. If you are sitting on a lucky chair, you find a gift. We request all the parents to check your chairs. Under it,
Not now. Let me count on. Not now.
Let's keep it far. Countdown starts.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, come forward. Come forward.
Those who found gifts, please come forward once. We also want to see. And
Who is that lucky person? Come forward, ma'am.
ma'am, please come forward.
Yeah, now it started, I think so.
From PP2. And ma'am, yours? Trishik, PP1. Congratulations, ma'am.
For Bluebird School Management.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't worry, those who didn't find a gift. Your presence here is like superstars.
Now our little stars are going to perform Bollywood song.
See the sparkle on their faces. They are going to dazzle with their twinkling dance steps.
दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो, कोई न बच के जाने पाए। डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक न जाए। धगा धगा जो फील करे वो जाके दो रेड बुल गटक ले। जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही सिया पे है। जी भर के नाच लो, ना घर वाले ना माँ पे है। सब पे अपना राज है, करने की क्या बात है। ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी, और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी। आ जाओ on the beach यार, फोटो मेरी खींच। फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी।
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी, और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी। आ जाओ on the beach यार, फोटो मेरी खींच। फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी जो तूने ये बात न मानी।
We just wanted to take a moment to sincerely appreciate. Yes, if yes means kindly appreciate them with your claps. Our charming little charms of PP1 section.
With infectious energy, and they are set to perform a mesmerizing group dance to enchanting Rajasthani folk song.
This vibrant song beautifully reflects the cultural heritage of Rajasthan, where folk music waves together stories and shared communal experiences.
As they dance, their charming steps will tell a story, and their bright eyes will shine like a sun, captivating everyone with their joy and spirit.
जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां.
Make it pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this. Make it pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this.
जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां. हजूम में दुनिया जी, हजूम में गलियां जी, पीठ पे लचके तेरी सुपर डुपर कमरिया, हाथ में डाले हाथ नचेंगे सारी रात, आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सांवरिया. बाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो, आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया. जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां.
Pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this. Make it pop.
जाने ना जाने तू हाँ जाने है जमाना जी, नजरें उलझा के हमें तुमको उलझाना जी. आए ना हाथ आए ना, ओ चल चल रे चल ओ गुजारिया. जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, जब देखूं बनारी लाल पीली अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां, मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां.
ఒక్కసారి కమిట్ అయితే వాళ్ళ మాట వాళ్ళే వినరు, వాళ్ళే ఈ లిటిల్ ఛాంప్స్. Bravo! You danced with such a grace and passion. It was amazing to see how much joy you brought to everyone watching. Thank you. Keep shining, kids. Performance is from Little Riders. An exhilarating journey, and guess what? Our riders are all set to dazzle you with an electrifying performance featuring a private song dedicated to all the lovely moms. Amma Pade Jola Pata. Aren't you excited, moms?
ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు, నా తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, మా చిన్నారుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, పెద్దలకు అందరికీ నమస్సుమాంజలు. గుడి లేని దైవం, కల్మషం లేని ప్రేమ, మమతకు మారు పేరు, అనురాగానికి అర్థం, ఆప్యాయతకు ఆలవాలం.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్తే కానీ మేము స్టార్ట్ చేయమండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ష్యూర్.
త్యాగానికి ప్రతిరూపం, నిస్వార్థ ప్రేమకు నీ అభివృద్ధికి బంగారు బాట వేసేది, నీ జీవన గమనంలో మైలురాయిగా నిలిచేది, నీవు ప్రగతి పథంలో దూసుకుపోతుంటే అందరికంటే ఎక్కువగా సంతోషించేది, ఆమె లేకుంటే నీవు లేవన్నది నిజం. అమృతం కన్నా తీయనైన పలుకు, అలు పెరగని ఓర్పు, అద్భుతమైన స్నేహం, అపురూపమైన కావ్యం, అరుదైన రూపం. ఆ దేవుడు ప్రతి చోట ఉండలేననేమో, అందుకే ఆమెను సృష్టించాడు. ఆమె ఎవరో కాదు, మనందరి మాతృమూర్తి. ఆమె అమ్మ. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో ఏ ప్రాంతంలోనైనా, ఏ దేశంలోనైనా సంస్కృతులు మారవచ్చు, కానీ అమ్మ ప్రేమ మాత్రం మారదు. సంగీత సాహిత్య పరంగా మాధుర్యంలోనూ అమ్మ లాలిపాటకు మించింది ఏముంది? ఏ సంగీత విద్వాంసుడు అమ్మలా పాడి నిద్రపుచ్చగలడు? అందుకే అమ్మ ఓ సంగీత నిధి. నడకే కాదు, నాగరికతను నేర్పిస్తుంది. అమ్మ అంతులేని ప్రేమానురాగాలకు, ఆప్యాయతకు మారుపేరైన తల్లి ప్రత్యక్ష దైవమే. మనకు జన్మనివ్వడమే కాకుండా సమాజ నిర్మాణానికి దోహదకారైన అమ్మను గౌరవిద్దాం. మన భారతీయ సమాజ సైతం మాతృదేవోభవ, పితృదేవోభవ అంటూ అమ్మకు అగ్రతాంబూలం ఇచ్చింది. అందుకే ప్రతి ఒక్క మాతృమూర్తికి శిరస్సు వంచి నమస్కరిద్దాం, గౌరవిద్దాం. ఒక చిన్న కవిత. ఆ నింగే తలవంచదా తను పంచే అనురాగానికి, ఆ సంద్రం కూడా చినబోదా తనలో దాచుకున్న కన్నీళ్లకు, వెన్నెల సైతం దాసోహమనదా తన అందమైన ఆత్మీయతకు, అమృతం కూడా అనవసరం కదా తన చేతి గోరుముద్దలకు. ప్రతి జన్మకు ఇలా బానిసనవన కమ్మనైన అమ్మ ప్రేమకు. ఇలా ఎంత చెప్పినా అమ్మ గురించి మాటలు సరిపోవండి. ప్రతి ఒక్క మాతృమూర్తికి మా చిన్నారుల పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అంకితం ఇస్తూ ఎల్కేజీ రైడర్స్ చిన్నారుల మాతృమూర్తులు ముందుకు రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. కృతజ్ఞత.
అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట. అమ్మ పాడే లాలి పాట తేనెలూరి పారే ఏరులంట. నిండు జాబిని చూపించి రెండు బుగ్గలు గిల్లేసి, నిండు జాబిని చూపించి గోటితో బుగ్గను గిల్లేసి, ఉక్కును పట్టి ఊయలలోపే అమ్మ లాలనా, ఊపిరి పోసే నూరేళ్ళ నిండు దీవేనా. అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట. కురిసేవాన చినుకులకి నీలి నింగి అమ్మ, మొలిచే పచ్చని పైరులకి నేల తల్లి అమ్మ. కురిసేవాన చినుకులకి నీలి నింగి అమ్మ, మొలిచే పచ్చని పైరులకి నేల తల్లి అమ్మ. వీచే చల్లని గాలులకి పూల బొమ్మ అమ్మ, ప్రకృతి పాడే పాటలకి ఎలకోయిలమ్మ. సృష్టికి మూలం అమ్మతనం, సృష్టికి మూలం అమ్మతనం, సృష్టించలేనిది అమ్మ గుణం. అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట. అమ్మ పాడే లాలి పాట తేనెలూరి పారే ఏరులంట. నింగిని తాకే మేడలకి పునాది రాయి అమ్మ,
outstanding performance. Your creativity and expression brought the event dance to life. You have a natural talent that is simply breathtaking, kids. Embodies the essence of a legend. While heroes might come and go, legends have a special way of making their mark that lasts forever. We are thrilled to share that our little ones from PP1 Legend section are gearing up for an unforgettable mass performance. They will be showcasing their talent to the vibrant tune of Tamil song. Watching our young legends in their colorful costumes is like seeing flickering flames ready to ignite the stage with their energy and enthusiasm.
It's fascinating to when fire begins with a tiny spark. These children have immense potential waiting to shine. Their performance is sure to be bursts of creativity, passion and joy, reflecting the hard work they have put into the rehearsal.
Little legends!
மருத மெச்சும் அன்னக்கொடி வாமதினி நல்லா கொட்டு அடி மாமதுர அன்னக்கொடி வாமதினி அன்னரெடி மருத மெச்சும் அன்னக்கொடி வாமதினி நல்லா கொட்டு அடி பட்டாசு வாராசு வல்லாசு
Was like a burst of sunshine on the stage. Your energy and enthusiasm lit up the stage and we couldn't take your eyes our eyes of you. Once again, thank you, children. మాకు ఎప్పుడు ఎవ్వడు పోటీ రాడు రాలేడు. ఎందుకంటే సిద్ధప్ప మాకు మేమే పోటీ, మాతో మాకే పోటీ. తగ్గేదేలే, అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే అంటూ వస్తున్నారు. Class 3 and 4, you two boys, a medley performance which is Hare Ram Hare Krishna and Toba Toba. It's a medley performance. This song is all about youthful vibes, catchy beats and electrifying dance moves that will surely get everyone grooming. Let's clap them.
Let go, let go. किथे गई आए मेरे दिल दी शौरी. Oh my God, oh लगती हौरी. मैनू भी ओ कर गई नौरी, पर किल करना उसकी हॉबी.
Madly searching for this fine shorty. In my world, the number one hottie. Everywhere she make him go crazy.
पर किल करना उसकी हॉबी.
हुसन तेरा तौबा
तौबा तौबा तौबा,
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. आओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा, हाले थोड़ा साफ जहा नहीं लगदा इरादा. गुत्त बाली लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने, है दिखदा परांदा नहीं ओ देखदा पराडा. स्टॉप फिगर तो लगदी लटीनो, एक बारी दस दो जी इन्नी क्यों शकीनो. कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी, ते पर्स तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो. हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा, तेरे तो की सिखा, तेरे ते की लिखा. हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.